pressure. Not on your skin, under it. A slow, deliberate push from the inside of your left forearm, as if something is testing the limits of your fascia. The pressure lifts, then returns 2 inches higher, then lower, then tracing a slow circle around your wrist bone. You are not moving your hand. Your hand is flat against cold metal. The movement continues anyway. You sit up. The metal table is cold against your bare arms. You are wearing only thin cotton pants, no shoes, no socks. The floor is rough concrete under your heels. You try to remember how you got here. The memory doesn't arrive. Instead, a slow heat spreads up the back of your neck. Something pushing up your cervical spine. You turn toward the mirror. Your reflection turns half a second later than you do.
Subject is awake.
You raise your left arm to eye level. You hold it steady. Nothing moves. You exhale. You almost laugh. Then you feel it again. Not movement now, but weight. A small, dense knot beneath the skin just below your elbow. You press it with your right index finger. The knot shifts away from your touch. You press harder. The knot pushes back. Not a reflex, deliberate. You freeze. The knot freezes. You relax. The knot moves upward toward your shoulder, slow as a thumb dragging through wet clay. But your arm is telling a different story. The skin ripples, a slow peristaltic wave from wrist to shoulder, and you feel nothing. No, you feel a faint vibration, like a phone on silent pressed to bone. You touch your forearm. The wave stops. You remove your finger. The wave resumes. You realize it is not hiding from you. It is hiding from your touch. It knows when you are watching. It knows when you are not. And it has started to learn the difference.
It's in my chest.
You close your eyes. You try to feel the boundaries of your own body, your toes, your knees, your ribs, your jaw. Everything is yours. Then you breathe in, and something pinches your diaphragm from the inside. Not a cramp, a deliberate squeeze, like fingers testing a fruit for ripeness. You gasp. The pinch releases. You whisper to yourself, "It's in my chest." No, it's in your entire body. You just haven't noticed until now because it has been very, very still, very patient, watching you, learning which movements make you panic, which ones make you freeze.
It's writing.
You watch the word form under your skin. Hello, you. The letters are inverted, meant to be read from the inside out. Each letter pushes upward slowly, the skin stretching thin, translucent, revealing pale tissue beneath. You feel no pain. You feel pressure, then release, then a strange warm tingling as the skin settles back. You try to speak. Your throat closes, not from fear. Something is pressing gently on your trachea from behind. Not choking you, just reminding you that it could. You look at your forearm again. The word fades. New letters rise. D-O-N-O-T-S-P-E-S. A-K. You do not move. You do not blink. The thing under your skin writes again. It writes your mother's maiden name, your childhood street address, the name of the pet you had when you were 7. These are not guesses. These are retrievals. You feel a cold numbness spread up your spine. Not pain, not paralysis, but a sensation of being read. Every memory you have ever had is being sorted, indexed, and understood by something that shares your blood supply. You think, what are you? Your forearm answers, I-A-M-Y-O-U. Then, after a pause, T-H-E-N-E-W-Y-O-U. You remember the ceiling window. You remember lying on a table just like this one. You remember a flash, cold, then nothing. You assumed they drugged you. You assumed wrong. They didn't put something into you. They activated something already there. Something dormant. Something that has been copying you cell by cell, thought by thought, from the inside out, for weeks, maybe months. It is not a parasite. It is a second embryo, a twin made of your own tissue, folded into your own body, waiting to be born. You feel it now, the full shape of it. Not a knot, not a worm, a limb. It has your hands, your ribs, your face. It is pressed against your organs from the inside, and it is tired of waiting. You look at the blood. You should feel panic. Instead, you feel a strange, dissociated calm. The thing inside you has been learning your emotions for as long as it has been learning your memories. It knows that panic makes you rigid. It knows that terror makes you flee. It has chosen calm for you now, because calm is what it needs you to feel. You watch your sternum rise again. New letters. You look down at your chest. The letters have pressed so hard your ribs ache. The skin splits wider. You feel no pain, only a deep, stretching numbness, like a joint held too long in one position. You watch a fingertip push through the wound. It is yours. Every ridge of your fingerprint is there, but the hand is smaller, younger. It curls, uncurled, reaches toward you, toward your face. You cannot move. Your body is no longer sending signals to your muscles. Something else is controlling your paralysis. The fingertip touches your chin. It is warm. It is yours. And then it writes on your chin, from the inside of your own face, pushing outward through the skin. One final word. Let me out. And you realize it is not asking. It is telling you what is about to happen, and you cannot stop it.